Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Reservety.com. Reservety.com offers a streamlined platform for managing appointments and bookings. This site allows businesses to create a personalized booking page, showcase their services, and efficiently manage their schedules, all in one central hub. Users can customize their availability, set booking rules, and even integrate payment processing directly through the platform. This eliminates the back-and-forth emails and phone calls often associated with scheduling, freeing up valuable time for both the business and the client. Reservety aims to simplify the booking process, reducing administrative overhead and providing a seamless experience for everyone involved. Businesses can easily manage client information, send automated reminders, and gain valuable insights into their booking trends. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes and technical skill levels. From small independent businesses to larger organizations, Reservety offers a robust solution for managing appointments effectively and enhancing the overall customer experience. With its focus on efficiency and ease of use, Reservety.com is a valuable tool for businesses looking to optimize their booking process and streamline their operations. Further features include customizable branding options, allowing businesses to maintain a consistent brand identity throughout the booking process. This attention to detail ensures a professional and polished experience for clients, reinforcing trust and reliability. Moreover, the platform is designed to be mobile responsive, enabling clients to book appointments conveniently from any device, anytime, anywhere. This accessibility further enhances the customer experience and contributes to increased bookings. Through its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, Reservety empowers businesses to take control of their scheduling and elevate their customer service.